Hello friends, welcome back again to Electric Yard. Today we have an exciting show for you as we dive into the TracFone Motorola. If you are looking for a budget-friendly smartphone that doesn't compromise on performance, you are in the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech review. Moving on to the display, the Moto G Pure boasts a 6.5 size HD Plus display that delivers vibrant colors and sharp details. Whether you are watching videos, browsing social media, or playing games, the visuals are crisp and immersive. The phone design is ergonomic, providing a comfortable grip, and sleek profile makes it pocket friendly. It's perfect blend of styles and functionality. Under the hood, the Moto G Pure is powered by a G25 processor, ensuring smooth multitasking and responsive performance. Navigating through apps is a breeze, and the device handles day-to-day tasks effortlessly. Motorola has also included some thoughtful software features to enhance the user experience. Now let's talk about the camera capabilities of Moto. Equipped with 13 megapixel rear camera, the device captures impressive photos with good detail and color accuracy. Whether you are capturing landscape or close-up shots, the camera performs admirably. Front-facing camera is perfect for selfies and video calls. Let me show you some sample shots to give you a better idea of camera's prowess. Battery life is always a crucial factor, and the Moto G Pure doesn't disappoint. With its 4000 mAh battery capacity, the phone easily lasts through a full day of use. Additionally, the inclusion of fast charging feature ensures that you spend more time using the phone and less time waiting for it to charge. In terms of connectivity, the device supports Wi-Fi, USB, and Bluetooth, ensuring you stay connected wherever you are. The TracFone Motorola is a budget-friendly smartphone that ticks all the right boxes, from its sleek design to its capable performance and impressive camera capabilities. It offers incredible value for money. Whether you are a student on tight budget or someone looking for reliable backup phones, to Moto G is worth considering. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.